Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started by closing our eyes, placing one hand on our heart, one hand on our belly. Take a big inhale, breathing in through your nose, and now sigh it out through your mouth. Again, let's take a big inhale, filling our belly up with air. Open mouth, exhale, let it go. We're going to take some wrist circles now. Just moving our hands, moving our wrist in some circles. Now let's switch the direction of those circles. Take some movement with your hands as you ball your fist up and then straighten the hands. We're going to do that a few times. You can place your hands on your knees. Lift your shoulders up close to the ears and lower your shoulders back down. Again, let's raise the shoulders all the way up and drop them. One more time, let's lift the shoulders up and lower them down. Lower your right ear to your right shoulder. And now let's drop the head back. And now let's bring our left ear to our left shoulder. Let's drop our head back again. And right ear to right shoulder. Let's do that one more time. Drop the head back, left ear to left shoulder. And drop the head back, right ear to right shoulder. Lift your left arm up towards the ceiling as you start to take some circles with your wrist and your hand. Now let's reach back behind us, opening the chest up towards the ceiling. And reach forward, maybe touching your knee. Again, let's reach up and back behind us, opening the chest. And reach forward. Placing your right hand behind you, let's twist a little bit. Maybe looking over that right shoulder. And we come back to center as we drop our left ear to the left shoulder, reaching up with that right arm, taking some circles with our wrist. And now we reach up and back. And reach forward. Again, let's reach up and back, really opening the chest up towards the ceiling. And reach forward, placing your left hand behind you and twisting. Come back to center as you shake your shoulders out a little bit. Bring your left arm across the body as you hook your right arm on the elbow. Maybe you can look to the left a little bit. And now we're going to place our left hand on our upper back as we press that left elbow down a little bit, feeling a stretch in that left tricep. Relax your arms as you bring your right arm across the body, hooking that left arm on the elbow. And now we bring that right hand to our upper back as we press down on that right elbow. Relax your arms. Lift the shoulders up and drop them down. Again, let's raise the shoulders up and drop them down. Sweep both arms overhead. Maybe lean back a little bit and bring your hands to heart center. Let's take a deep breath in through the nose and sigh it out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I will see you in the next one.